This video will cover the unboxing of the Kodiak PCIe 6.0 Host Smart Fixture HSF with a tester and analyzer. When you open the box, you will find a packing list. Please confirm that this matches your order or demo equipment request. You will also find a copy of the equipment assembly instructions. Be sure to follow the instructions and installation manual. While unboxing the equipment, power on the power brick included for the smart fixture. Note the silkscreen label for the smart fixture and verify it matches the packing list. There is a power input and switch on the back of the analyzer tester. There are also SMA connectors for clock and trigger signals, and a USB 1GB Ethernet port for maintenance. Do note the system fans for the unit and vent fans for the PSU. Do not block them. On the front, the unit has a 1GB Ethernet port, 2 USB ports, 2 Oculink connectors, 2 10GB SMP Plus connections, the LCD screen, upstream and downstream cable connections, sideband cable connector, and on top, there are more vent holes. Do not block them. Follow the installation manual and silkscreen labels when connecting the equipment. After removing the analyzer tester from the box, start by connecting an Ethernet cable to one of the ports on the system. Verify the power switch is in the off position, connect the cable to power and the PSU, and turn the switch on. Note that the HSF has tester and analyzer connections on both sides. The back of the HSF has SMA connections for clock in and out signals, an aux USB-C port, system fans, do not block these, and a 24-volt DC power input. Only use serial tech supplied power bricks with the fixtures. Install the DUT into the x16 AIC slot before powering on the HSF. Do note the orientation of the power connection on the fixture and do not force the connector if it does not easily fit initially. As shown in the video with the HSF, the arrow or flat side of the barrel connector must be turned 180 degrees away from the top of the fixture. While the analyzer, tester, and HSF are powering on, connect the QSFP-DD data and MCIO sideband cables to the appropriate connectors following the silkscreen label and installation guide. Do note the tester side only uses the S0 sideband, D0, and D1 connections. The analyzer will use the S0 sideband, U0, and D0 connections. After connecting the cables for the tester, unbox the other analyzer tester unit. Depending on your order, the other boxes may contain an additional interposer. After unboxing the analyzer tester, power on the unit and connect the QSFP-DD data and MCIO sideband cables to the appropriate connectors following the silkscreen label and installation guide. Once the analyzer tester has powered on, the LCD will show a home screen with the serial number, host name, alias, and IP address if the user has connected it to a network or set a static IP. It will also show the interposer or fixture connected to the unit and its serial number. The right side of the LCD will show the current link status and provide a quick overview of any traffic going through the fixture or interposer. Thanks for watching, and please contact us at support@serialtech.com with any questions or requests for help.